known Kevin for 20 plus years now. We got our loan through him, got my house. It was great, easy. I probably wouldn't have been able to do it without him actually.
I do not do auto loans. I do not do credit card loans. All I do is mortgage loans. That's the only thing I do. I specialize in residential lending. I know that product better than any other lenders.
I've known Kevin for a while. We were first-time home buyers and didn't really know what we were doing, and Kevin filled in a lot of the blanks for us, made the whole process a whole lot easier.
I had a lot of questions being a first-time home buyer, and he was very knowledgeable and just made it seem easy. The whole process was easy.
People think that they have to have a 700 credit score in order to get a home. Don't mind, looking through your credit report and setting you up with a plan of action to get you into a home in the future. I can do construction lending, I can do custom home lending, and I do a lot of VA financing as a product for military families. We have all sorts of products within residential. We can do investment properties all the way to a secondary home down in Outer Banks if you wanted to. We can do jumbo, we can do loans as small as $60,000 all the way up to $2-3 million.
I always refer everybody that I ever meet, even a stranger that's talking about getting a house, I always give them one of Kevin's cards. That's how pleased I was with him.
Find me online, kevinwestmortgage.com. Call me on my cell phone, 757-292-8134.